Hey, fellow learners! Feeling a bit lost in the sea of textbooks and assignments? Trust me, I've been there. But today, I'm excited to share the comprehensive guide that turned my study struggles into victories. Stick around, and you're in for a game changer. Setting the stage, the power of goals. Let's kick things off with goal setting. Not just any goals, but smart and achievable ones. When you have a clear target, studying becomes purposeful and, dare I say, enjoyable. I'll walk you through the process, ensuring your goals set you on a path to success. Mastering time management, your most valuable asset. Time. It's the one resource we all wish we had more of. But fear not, because I'll guide you through effective time management strategies. We'll craft a schedule that suits your lifestyle, ensuring you make the most of every study session without burning out. Active learning, making study sessions engaging. Let's shake off those passive study habits. Discover the wonders of active learning techniques. This isn't just about reading, it's about engaging with the material. Get ready for some practical strategies that will make your study sessions dynamic and, dare I say it again, fun. Mindful breaks, balancing productivity and relaxation. Now, let's talk about breaks. Yes, breaks. They're not just for the weak, they're essential. I'll show you how to take mindful breaks that recharge your brain, preventing burnout and keeping your energy levels at their peak. Effective review and feedback, cementing your knowledge. Ever felt like you're forgetting what you just studied? We've all been there. Learn the art of efficient review and the power of feedback, both from yourself and others. This step ensures the knowledge you gain isn't just a temporary guest, but a long-term resident in your brain. There you have it, a roadmap to transform your study routine. It's not about following rigid steps, it's about adopting a mindset that sees studying as an exciting journey rather than a daunting task. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and share this video with your fellow learners. Let's conquer the academic world together. Until next time, happy studying.